Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into another product from Fujiya, and this is their high power nippers and part number 700-175. It's roughly about 7 3/8 inches long. Just some of the information: it is made in Japan. The company's been around since 1923. This is the website. It will be linked down in the description for you guys. They have like 100, if not more, different styles of pliers. So if you're interested in any of these, the link will be down in the description. The price I give you, which is $25 for this pair, which I think is really good for the quality, is off of eBay. eBay is the easiest place to find these. Amazon, you have to search more like Amazon Japan. So it's just easier to get it from eBay and other tool websites. But other than that, the information given, it's mostly in Japanese, but here it is rated for steel wire to 2.2 millimeters, copper wire 3 millimeters, and piano wire 1.2 millimeters. So this is roughly, I want to say, I think 11 gauge wire. So what I have here is some 18 gauge steel wire, a 13 gauge finishing nail, and an 11 gauge finishing nail, or that's roughly what their sizes are. So it cuts through this 18 gauge like it's absolutely nothing. The 13 gauge as well, very easy. Same thing with the 11 gauge. I mean, it cuts through this stuff like butter. The finish on this is absolutely amazing. And they did move the pivot point up. A lot of the good quality diagonal side cutters move their pivot point up. It gives you more leverage with the handles. It takes less force to actually cut something, so that's really good and nice in their design. Here's just kind of a close-up look at the finish. Fujiya, part number, made in Japan. Black oxide finish on everything else to protect it from rust and corrosion. And it does have a built-in crimper at the bottom as well, which is really nice. This isn't usually what I would use for crimping, but it is nice that they have that built in. And like I said, they have a lot of different designs with different features in all of their pliers. The handles are rubberized coating, and it does have a grit style, or almost like a knurled portion down here. So the grip is really good, cutting is really good, the quality is extremely good. So let me just show you a couple of differences. So finish isn't everything when looking for a tool, but it is a big part of telling what the quality is going to be like, but not everything. I love my channel lock. The thing I love about channel lock, for one, they're made in the USA. Two, they're really affordable. So I have a lot of channel lock pliers and I really enjoy them. But one thing I can say is not all of their pliers are the highest finish of quality. Just a quick look here. Nothing wrong with it, they work just fine. I love channel lock, but there is a big difference in quality in the finish here. Next up, I have a USA pair from Southwire, and it has like a clear coat over it. I'll show you the difference there. Then I have Knipex as well from Germany. Love these as well. Channel lock and these Knipex are my favorite, but this ranks right up there with Knipex. I mean, these things are fantastic and priced really well at $25. So just one thing I want to show is Knipex. If you hold it by one handle, it does have enough resistance to where it's not going to open. This is roughly the most that you'll ever open it for what it's rated at cutting. It still operates smoothly, it's just it does have resistance. The Southwire does have less resistance. It does open up to about the maximum that you would ever need to open it for what it's rated at cutting, but beyond that it does run into a little rubbing issue where you got a little bit more friction at this point, but once again, that's not a big deal. And then the Knipex, with hardly any resistance whatsoever, they almost open up all the way without anything, so they're extremely easy to operate. And that's the same thing with the Fujiya. Extremely easy to operate, easy to open and close, and I can't explain or can't state enough how good the quality is on this. So I hope I've covered everything. The cutting is phenomenal, the finish is phenomenal, the grips are nice, it's got that protective coating, and priced really well. So overall, I really like these Japanese tools from Fujiya. They're fantastic. They take pride in them, and I'll definitely be picking up more. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything that I forgot to mention, or if you guys have any questions, please leave it down in the comments. Once again, the information will be, or the website will be linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section if you've used these, or you know of any other Japanese brands that you really enjoy. I know a few that I really enjoy, but I figured I'd share this brand with you guys just in case you guys are interested. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.